This lecture we're going to be see how we can generate the report from the HelioScope software. So once we have done the mechanical characteristics, then keep outs, then the electrical characteristics, and after the SLD diagram, we just click on the save and exit button. So once we have click on save and exit button, so here actually we can give the various conditions to it. If I want to change the weather data, if I want to change the soiling parameter, that also we can change. So we can just click on this condition set number, and here we can just check it out over here. So any kind of a condition that we want to change, that also we can just change it over here on this particular side. But that is a residential scale project, so here also we can just click on the edit button, and if any specific soiling losses or any snow losses that we want to add, that also we can just check it out over here. So here in the soiling, if any snowfall is happening or any kind of extra soiling is happening in a specific month, that we can increase over here. And like that, any kind of the cell temperature, mismatch, component, advance, this is a by default values has been given in the HelioScope software. So like that, we just check the AC losses also. If I want to reduce or increase, this also will finally going to be effect on the power output in terms of a kilowatt hour. Once we have done it, thereafter we'll have to be click on the reports. In a report, we'll have to be click on the simulate button. When we are clicking on this simulate button, it will going to be simulate the data, and we'll just get the overall report of the site what we have designing. On this side, we can just import the logo of the company also for which we were designing, and this logo we can insert. So on this side, the project name is a residential project, the project address has been written, logo of the company has been written. This is the overall data like the inverter capacity, annual production which is a 5.99 megawatt hour, performance ratio is 72.9%, specific energy yield is 1497, weather data meteonorm we have chosen. If you want, we can just open the view shade report also. So in this shade report, we just see over here. So like that, the shading report we can see the shadow of this particular tree, shadow of this water tank, and whatever the setback that we have left on the individual parapet wall. So like that, we'll have to be just read this particular parameter. The map of this location also been imported over here in a report. Thereafter on this side, on the left side, we'll find the monthly production. In a monthly production, monthly basis, how much amount of the production is going to be happen, we'll get the graph of it. In a show table, we'll get the GHI data of the monthly basis. Thereafter, the final amount of the electricity that we are feeding into the panel of the consumer. This also will going to be taken from this. Thereafter, this is a various sources of the losses are happening, like the inverter 2.5%, wiring 0.2%. We have a temperature losses 10.6% as per the site temperature, irradiance losses 0.5. So it is automatically losses has been calculated by the software after importing the meteonorm file of the particular site. Thereafter, we have a annual production has been written, total collector irradiance fall 1820, energy sent to the grid into the consumer panel which is a 5991.6 kilowatt hour. Temperature matrix has been written, what is the operating cell temperature, the simulation has been done, and how much amount of the hour the simulation has been done, that is a 4670 hours the given simulation report has been done. This is a condition set has been written, so which model has been utilized while doing this simulation, like the weather data set, solar angle location, transposition model, Perez model has been used, temperature model, Sandia model has been used. Like this fixed tilt, what kind of a method we have used, soiling losses, irradiance, variance, temperature, spread, model by binding ranges, everything has been written on this particular software. So any specific component that we have, like the inverter of the 4 kilowatt combiner box, 2 input combiner box, one is required, strings, so wiring connection will be the 10 AWG, 29.9 feet wire is required. Then we have a module of the Vari module, 16 modules has been required. So this is a component list the software is counting over here as per our input parameter. Then we have a wiring zone, total 2 combiner poles we are using. So 8 by 8 solar panel we are using here, string along the racking. Field segment has been written, that is a flat roof we have selected, fixed tilt angle, portrait orientation of an solar panel, tilt angle of an panel as an 21 degree, azimuth angle is 98 degree as per the orientation we have selected. Inter row spacing is the 2 feet, frame size is 1 by 1, frame is 17 frames are required, and total modules are 16, and total power of 4 kilowatt. On lower side, we'll get the diagram of the electrical connection. This diagram we can just download. Any specific parameter that we require, let's say combiner box we want to show in a diagram, wiring we want to show, interconnect, field segment, keep outs, everything that we want to say, download. And any resolution also we can able to select it over here, and then we can just export this diagram also and just download also. So from this, all the parameter in the diagram we can select, and we can take the printout over here actually. So we can just see on this particular diagram. So all the wiring connection has been written. So this is a first wiring connection is happening from this side up to this 8 number of an panel, and further 8 panel has been connected. So like this diagram we can just import on the report also. Once we have done it, all this report we can download into the CSV data also. Hourly basis how the data will going to be get, that we can import from the CSV data. Rather we can just take the PDF of it, and we can just create the PDF for the report what we have generated for the residential scale of an project. So we'll see how the particular report in the PDF format that will going to be look like at the end point. So in this way, whatever we have learned, so same will be reported over here like this. So overall the specific data, what exactly the consumer required and the technician required, that we are getting from the HelioScope software.